Single task sprint. 3, 2, 1. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to episode 331 of the Shower Podcast, the podcast where I'm in my shower and you do you. I'm your host, Chip, and today there is an even shorter version of the weekend drop, the already shorter version of the Shower Podcast, where I try to give you one simple idea that you can carry with you into the weekend. Before we start, as usual, if you end up liking this episode, remember that liking and subscribing really mean a lot for me. They're just one click, but they really make the difference. Thank you very much for considering it. As I said, because of time constraints, we're going straight to something you can use today, the single task sprint. Here's the point. When you hold 3 things in your head, you don't get triple progress, you get triple drag. A single task sprint cuts the noise. Pick one thing, shrink the window, and finish because nothing else competes for attention. No system, just a clean commitment for a tiny slice of time. And make it practical now. Choose the smallest obvious task that would make the rest of the day easier. Reply to that email, clear one hotspot in your room, sketch 3 bullets, or fold the laundry that keeps staring at you. Don't pick the biggest thing. Pick the thing you can punch through in one burst. Say it maybe out loud. I'm doing this and only this. Set a timer for 12 minutes. Short on purpose so your mind doesn't negotiate. Put the phone away, close the extra tabs. If you're analog, clear the surface. If you're on a device, full screen the window. When the timer starts, move like you have only one job. Expect friction in the first 30 seconds. The itch to check, the urge to delay, but don't argue with it. Take the first 2 steps and let momentum do the work. If you're drafting a message, write the greetings and the first line. If you're outlining, type the 3 headings. If you're tidying, start with what your hand touches first. And keep your eyes on 1 square meter. Narrow is your friend. When the timer ends, stop. Most of the time, you'll be done or within sight of done. You need more? Run 1 more cycle. But if you're finished, leave a breadcrumb for future you. A short note, an open tab on the next file, or a sticky with the next action. And just walk away. So, that's the challenge for today. Run 1 single task sprint. 1 task, 12 minutes, no split focus. If you like the feel, do a second one later and cap it there. You are just proving a point. Speed comes from simplicity. And most importantly, clarity beats force. That was all for today. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you enjoyed this more deterministic and just straight to the point episode. If you made it so far, feel free to like, share, subscribe, whatever works for you. And as usual, stay consistent, stay resilient. This was the Shower Podcast, and I'll see you tomorrow.